Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you like a quick and easy makeup tutorial kind of look. Yeah. So if you want to, I'm going to keep this intro nice and sweet. Okay, if I can actually talk, maybe this will move a bit quicker. So I'm going to show you like a mini skincare routine. I'll show you how I straighten my hair and also how I created this makeup look. I don't really think I've got anything else to say. So everything is done on camera, so hopefully it helps if you've got like this kind of look in mind that you want to create. Oh my god, I'm really bad at applying lipstick with that liner. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I really need to get this off my face now, but basically I have just put on this charcoal and bamboo black peel off mask. It says leave it on for half an hour. I've definitely had it on for half an hour by now. Like, it's actually falling off my face. Steam your face for 2 to 3 minutes beforehand. Just open your pores up. It's actually kind of gross. Yeah, so I'm just gonna peel that off. This is an exfoliator. This is actually kind of hard to do with one hand. Put a little bit of that here. It's just like to get off this smells so good, like so good. Especially as I'm putting makeup on, I like to have my skin nice and moisturised underneath. So I'm just using the simple replenishing rich moisturiser. I don't really use loads of skincare products, if I'm honest. But yeah, I do have, this is like my go-to wash, I guess. So this is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin. It's not really a primer, it's more of like an illuminator, I suppose, but I like to put this under my foundation. It's going to go in with foundation first because we're not going to do a dramatic eye today. Otherwise I would start with eyes first. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and mine is in the shade Warm Nude. So I'm going to take that on my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to squeeze one pump and see how far it goes. So I'm just going to dab that on. So I'm just going to brush through them. So my eyebrows are quite fair, so I don't like to do too much to them because I don't want them to look unnatural. I'm just going to basically outline my eyebrows. So I've literally just followed where my eyebrow starts. So just here, and then I've just followed that underneath. And now I'm just going to do the same on top. I'm going to blend that with the spoolie on the end. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eyebrow. Basically it's the contour shade. I'm just going to take that on an eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to fill that in a little bit more. I'm just going to blend that front as well. I really hope there's not glitter on this eyeshadow brush. The Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade 01 Light. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids and I'm just going to blend that in with this beauty blender. And I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on. I'm not going to go overboard. I'm just going to put a little bit on just so that when I have the lashes on it looks like they're a bit more blended together. Yeah, I can hear.
I nearly blew away.
Yeah, that's one lash. So I'm just going to go off camera and do the other one. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. Done the other eye. And I've just put a little bit of bottom lash mascara on. And now I'm going to go in with concealer. So it's the same concealer that I used on my eyes. So I'm just going to put that up on my top of my hair and down my nose. I'm just going to put that under my eyes. Just twist that up a little bit. Oh yeah, mine's kind of broken. Came like that. My friends also came broken, so be careful basically with the packaging. Cool. And then I'm just going to use that same Beauty blender. These lashes are really nice. I forgot to show you what they are. I think they're Isla ones, or however you say that brand. And I think they're like wispies or something. Oh my god, so on Wednesday my car broke down, so I am currently carless, so that is really fun. It's really not fun, but yeah, and it was just so bad because I was in such a busy place and yeah, basically nearly died. No, I didn't, but like, it wasn't fun. I hate when my car breaks down because it happens kind of often. Yeah, basically, fun times. Bronzer. Okay. Oh, should I do a little bit of contour? So where's my powder brush? So I hate powder. I honestly just hate powder. I cannot find a nice powder. So I literally, I don't know if I can see that. This is disgusting. I'm just gonna get my Rimmel Match Perfection loose powder brush. Got the tiniest bit of powder just on my cheeks. And do I really want it on my forehead? Not really, but I'm gonna do it anyway, just for the video. I never powder, like, I never powder. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with, if I can even find, I've got a headache. Not good. If I can even find it. This is the Rimmel Sun Kissed Bronzer Kiss, even powder in the shade 2 or something. I don't know, Bronzer Kiss it's called. It's Rare Revolution. What? Okay, let's blend that out. Could be worse, could be worse, could be worse. I'm gonna grab this Wonder Bronze by Sipping Glory. It's a shivery iridescent bronzer that just really wasn't focusing. And then just blend that around as well. Lovely! So I'm just going to go in with this Kiko highlighter. This is Glow Fusion in the shade 2. I'm just going to dab that into this, dab the brush by, what's it called? No. What are the nice brushes called? Real Techniques. I knew it was an R. And then I'm just going to put that onto the top of my cheekbones. Kind of like over my contour, well, my bronzer at the same time. And I'm just going to take that up a little bit higher. And I also like to put it just above my eyebrow bone. Like just where your arch is, so just there. And then on the tip of my nose. Like that, and then on the cupid's bow. Alright, people have been doing this, I'm just going to try it. They put it like down their nose, but not here, and then on the tip of the nose. Does that actually do anything? It's going to take a little bit of blush. It's not actually blush, but let's just pretend it is. And this is actually the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. I love it, it's so cute, like look at that, look at the packaging. Oh. I'm just going to take a mixture of this shade here and this shade there. Just on the tip of the same bronzer brush that I used, and then I'm just gonna tap that off, and then I'm just gonna use that as blush. Tap off a bit more. Just to tie the highlighter and the bronzer together, and then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. Okay, so obviously I've got no eyeshadow on, so we can do any colour lipstick. So I'm just going to show you 3 colours that I would put, or I would actually wear with this kind of look. So the first one is Coffee Craze by Maybelline in the shade 740, which is Coffee Craze. So I'm just going to apply that onto my lips and show you one lipstick colour. Oh, my hair. I'm just going to take the top section of my hair, and I'm just going to straighten that. No, I'm going to straighten that underneath first. I'm just gonna tie a little gross bun on top of my hair. Take that piece of hair and just straighten through there. And just brushing as I go. Oh, I was gonna ask someone to bring me some soup. I'll call her, that'll be fun. My mum just kept me a picture of a donkey called Hannah. Shout out to you, Hannah. Hello?
Hello.
Oh, what are you doing?
We're on the way back from the donkey country. We're going to Tesco and we're coming back.
Oh, can you get me some soup?
What food?
Tomato, please.
Okay.
Thanks. So I had my hair cut as well, by the way. I was just taking a little bit more down on my hair as well, but it doesn't actually look that much shorter. It's actually really crazy how a lip colour can change a whole look. So this is obviously the first lip colour, so okay, so this is the second lip colour. I never know if red lipstick suits me, like, I don't know. Is it too much going on? Like, not sure if I'm a fan, kind of feeling it, kind of like not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me down below. Yeah. Okay, no, don't do that. Okay, well, you can if you want, actually. I feel like if you want to buy a lip liner, buy it for red lipstick, because it's kind of hard to make it even on both sides. Like, maybe my lips are just naturally wonky. I don't know. Yeah, so okay, so I'm going to show you the third and final lipstick colour now. So, oh, I didn't tell you what the red one was either. So the red one was, no, not that one. Where's the red one gone? Oh, so the red one was 547 Pleasure Me Red, by also by Maybelline. I just like how they're satin. I cannot wear matte lipsticks. I hate them. This one that I've got on right now is Colour Rich 630 Beige Nude, something like that. This is by L'Oreal, this one though. And I'm just gonna go over it with this lip topper. So this is new. I actually really like it. I wanted like a sparkly lip gloss. What am I doing? I'm not quite sure. This is the Chromatic Bronze L'Oreal. I think it's like their new collection. I got an itch. And this is in the shade, I think it's the shade 2. I don't know, but it's the pink one. Cosmo Girl, shade 2. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really made it this far, then I'm quite surprised, but thank you. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't already, please do, just down below, and hit that notification bell as well, because that way you won't miss anything that I post, because you might miss it because I'm always posting. I'm never posting. Don't lie to them the whole time. That is disgusting. BRB. My lips are kind of stinging. Should put some balm on. Some balm. Ugh, who am I? What have I just done? No, I don't know if I'm going to get that out. Oh no. Why am I like this? Oh my god, yes, wow, I really regret doing that on camera because, oh, I've like pushed the top in. Oh, okay, at least I got it out. Thank you so much, everybody. Everyone, like 5 people. So, hello focus, please. You guys are my favourite. Ew. And yeah, I'll see you